Samriddhi, how beautiful birds are flying in the sky. Sometimes I wonder about the ancestors of these flying creatures called birds.
Birds descended from dinosaurs more than 150 million years ago. Like their reptile ancestors, birds have scales on their legs and lay eggs. Unlike dinosaurs, birds are warm-blooded. The recent discovery of feather-like fibers preserved in amber for 100 million years raises the question of whether dinosaurs had feathers or whether these ancient feathers came from flightless birds. There are about 10,000 bird species worldwide. Scientists continue to find previously undiscovered species, even as other species face extinction. Most birds are built aerodynamically with bullet-shaped bodies, muscular wings, and lightweight bones. Some birds, such as the penguin, the kiwi, and the ostrich, have lost the ability to fly over the course of their evolution. Birds range in size from the ostrich, 9 feet tall and more than 300 pounds, to the bee hummingbird, which measures 2 inches and weighs a mere tenth of an ounce. Many bird species migrate. Most move in and out of winter and summer ranges to take advantage of favorable weather and food supplies. But some take this to their extreme, traveling thousands of miles between the destinations. Birds originally were grouped by morphology, their outward form and features. Today's studies of bird DNA support much of this classification, but give a truer picture of bird evolution and relationships.
Like, share and subscribe to our channel Tutelage by Magic for such new and knowledgeable videos.